so hungry. We're very hungry. We're on our way to Julian. We're going camping. Well, cabin camping. But first we have to stop by and get a sandwich at Dudley's. Like, you have to. You can't come to Julian and not get Dudley's or pie. I think we're gonna get pie on Sunday though, right? Before we leave. But sandwich today, pie Sunday. It's a whole plan. Yeah, we're gonna go cabin camping for 2 nights. Chill out, relax, enjoy nature. Although it's really hot, that's unfortunate, but it'll be good. Yummy. So that's our little cabin. So cute. There's a squirrel. The restrooms. More cabins. It's just so cute. I love it here. I've gone camping here many a times. Highly recommend. It's so nice and peaceful. There's a good breeze going. How pretty, right? It's not as foresty as Idyllwild or Big Bear, but it's still super nice. And these cabins are really cute and they have bunk beds inside. I will show you later when we go in. So now we're gonna join our friends and have some fun.
Later.
It's always so nice.
Reporting live from the woods. Again, you're gone. Off on a different path.
We just saw a deer, literally right here.
Just
3.
eating fruit from the orchard. I'm left behind, wondering if I should follow. I had to go.
It's so pretty.
Now I turned around and found
I am lost in the woods.
north is south, right is left.
You're not there. Oh, my only landmark. Now I'm lost in the woods. Wondering if I still care. For a sign. You are mine.
I'm lost in there watching me.
Lost in the woods.
The next day.
We are gonna go have breakfast. Oh, our friends are already up. We're heading over to their little fire pit. So it's already 8. I thought I'd be up earlier, honestly. It's different cabin camping than tent camping, I feel like. With the tent, we would have been up at 6. The cabin blocks out a lot of the sun and stuff, so.
Walking around like a little minion.
Literally just hit my lip on the speaker I was carrying. And now it's bleeding. I barely felt it. It was like a small little tap. And it's like bleeding.
Well,
Story of my life though, like, right?
sorry, I'm alive.
I always get injured by everything. I'm known for being clumsy. Should have put some dry shampoo in my hair.
Reporter, can you put your equipment away and hold down?
Yes. Let me see the coffee that you got.
It is from Colombia, like Sofia Vergara.
Very nice. I don't remember the last time I drank instant coffee.
Well, you'll remember this time.
It's true. Let's be real. They say 1 teaspoon. We do 5. It's fine. We didn't do 5. That was like 2.5.
We have issues, so grab your.
It's true. Wow. We got here and everything's already prepped. How nice. Kettle.
There's a cow. Where?
Yes, there's a kettle. Nice. So thrilling. And we brought our own creamer because we're bougie. No, we're not. I just can't have dairy. Liz doesn't like dairy, so. Which one is this one?
That's our almond milk French vanilla.
Oh, nice. Okay. And then this is going to be our breakfast. Okay, we just had our breakfast and we're gonna go on a little hike now. I'm super excited. I wanted to get it in before it gets too hot because it's supposed to be pretty hot today. So put on some sunscreen, got my little hat, got my sunglasses, got some water. We're gonna go exploring. Maybe take some cute pictures too. Are you ready?
All right, let's party.
Yeah. You're so stupid. I said I wanted to record the silence. Oh, this is really cute though.
This is cute. I want to record
really
this.
pretty.
Don't talk.
Let me burn it then. Let's try a different path. Let's go this way. Very enthusiastic. She's not thrilled. I'm making her do an extra loop.
We have water. We're gonna starve.
I have an apple.
That's not the word I was looking for.
You mean die of thirst?
Yeah.
Same thing. Starved.
Dehydrate. That's the word I was looking for.
It's fine.
How long is it?
I don't know. Oh, my shoe's untied.
Well, we have to go back.
It's cool that they have these. Nice. Wow. That's cool. I've definitely seen turkeys here and the deer.
Yeah.
It'd be cool to see a bobcat. Or the gray fox, that'd be cool.
Bobcat.
Yeah. Okay, we finished our little trail. Decided to go a new way that we haven't been on before. Someone wasn't happy. And we ended up at the front part of the campground, so now I have to walk all the way to our cabin. But then we get to relax and chill for the rest of the day. You know? I think it's great exercise.
It's great.
And we did it before it got too hot.
True.
Like it's just now starting to get hot.
I would have killed you and eaten you.
Wow. Hear that, people?
You did this to me.
You did it. All right. I love camping, whether it's with a tent or with a cabin. Just love being out in nature, in the woods. Love the woods. It's the best part. This is cool. So if you've never gone camping, whether it's with a tent or with a cabin, I highly recommend it. If you're not sure about camping, start off with a cabin. My first experience was with a tent. There's nothing wrong with starting off with a tent, but sometimes I feel like people are a little hesitant. So if you're one of those a little bit of a nervous camper, or you've never done it, or just kind of want to dip your toes, definitely start with a cabin. There's no like running water inside the cabin. You still have to use like a little public restroom. But these cabins at least have electricity, so you can like turn on the light. There's like kind of space to put your stuff down. You do want to bring like an air mattress or a bunch of blankets to lay down, because all it is like wooden planks. So you do want to have some sort of something soft, some covers. And again, in this particular one, apparently there's like a heater, like a furnace thing, which I didn't know about last night. We didn't turn it on. But yeah, so the ones here have that. They have like a furnace, and it comes with 4 beds, so it's like bunk beds. And yeah, so if you're, like I said, if you're a bit of a nervous camper or first-time camper, I would definitely start with cabin. If you want to see my tent camping that Liz and I have done here, I will link that video down below. It's a lot of fun. I love it. And there's quite a few things to do in Julian, which we did end up doing last time we were here, but it was just the 2 of us, so we kind of liked to explore the town and do things here and there. Here we're mostly just chilling with our friends at the campsite, not really doing much except our hike. I'm not claiming to be an experienced camper at all whatsoever, but I have learned a few things here and there since I have done it a few times, and Liz is a pretty good camper. She knows a bunch of tips as well, so I'll ask her about it. Yeah, I will do a separate video for that. But in the meantime, that's kind of all I have to say now. I'm gonna go help Liz cook the chicken, have some lunch, and I think we're going into town for dinner tonight. So yeah, just enjoying the fresh air, the peace, the quiet, the sun. It's very nice to disconnect. Look at that chicken. It's gonna be so good. Gonna go into town and have dinner. I don't know where we're going, but somewhere in town to have food.
And we're not telling anybody.
We're just dipping out. Let's go see if any of the shops are open, because they tend to close early.
It's a ghost town.
It's a ghost town, but I think there's a wedding going on.
The next day.
Got a little furnace. This reminds me of like when you go camping with your school or something. This is our little cabin. Pretty cute. And then the little grill, picnic area. Bye-bye cabin. It's been fun. Alright, that's it for our camping trip. We are on our way home now. We just packed up the car. Gonna stop by a Starbucks when we're out of these woods. That was a lot of fun. It's very relaxing. It went by so fast, didn't it?
It really
It went by so fast. Like, and we were here for 2 nights. And we got here pretty early on Friday, so yeah. Time flies when you're having fun.